Hello everyone. I am incredibly happy and honoured to hear that Cuckoo's Song has been chosen as the best children's book in translation for the Premi Llibreter. Many thanks to everybody involved in the organisation of this prize. I'm very sorry that I'm not able to be with you this evening, not least because your weather is probably better than ours. To be honest, I feel quite happy and privileged to be allowed to write children's books for a living anyway. This is a perpetual and delightful surprise to me. My books surprise me by existing, and my readers surprise me by reading them. Foreign editions provide a whole new level of excitement. It's like having painstakingly raised a rose bush only to find that now it's sprouting cherry blossoms and sunflowers and orchid blossoms as well. The story that once existed only in my head now travels to places I haven't been to yet and is read in languages that I don't speak. Books are telepathic devices. When we read, we feel there is no barrier between us and another mind. It seems so immediate and intimate that it's easy to forget how many people are involved in creating this magical effect. Editors, translators, production teams, and of course booksellers invisibly demolish the barriers of distance, time and language. I would like to thank Xavier Pamiers and Celia Filippetto, who translated Cuckoo's Song into Catalan and Spanish. Translators are professionally miraculous. I cannot imagine how much skill, ingenuity and creativity is needed to convey not only each sentence's meaning, but its rhythm, tone, references and idioms. I would also like to thank everybody else at Bambú who worked on both these editions. Last, I would like to thank the Gremi de Llibreters de Barcelona y de Catalunya, not just for this prize, but for their daily work as booksellers. Booksellers are the book world's front line and tireless champions. The rest of us would be lost without you. Thank you, everybody, and have a wonderful evening.